Oh, we got home and oh man, look at this. Our mailbox. Uh, time to get a new one.
Sorry, mailbox. It's time to retire.
And look what we got today. Got a mailbox and post kit. So our new mailbox is going to look like that. But we got to do some things first. First we got to get this piece of wood that's supposed to be, what's this at, 50 inches. We got one that's 10 feet tall. It's a little bit more than 50 inches. And then we need this tool. So, let's go find out what 50 inches is. Like half the board. Okay, now we got to do some cutting. Alright. I really don't want to do this because it's really kind of thick. But I guess I got to do what I got to do.
This is American life.
Oh, look at her go. She wanted to try it. I guess both of us are getting our hands full on this one. Alright, we got it in pieces. That's the first part. Okay, so I'm out of my comfort zone. I've never done anything like this before. And we'll see if I even have the strength to use this. I think I kind of know what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm going to keep it open right here and I'm going to try to jam it into the ground. And then I'm going to use this to try to do that. Pull up what I can.
Okay, go ahead. Oh, that sucks.
See, there's rock there. I don't know how to get around. Alright, push that bad boy down. No, you're too close to the other one, I think. You're too close to the other one. Move back a little. There you go. I got grass. Getting as much pressure
side do you want down? This side's got a split.
Let's do the side that, what do you think? Maybe the side with the split in it would be better?
Yeah, I think we should do that. Down to the side with the split.
Okay. What do you think?
Yeah, I think that's good. Like I said, I would just wet it though.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Come down a little. You're overshooting. Right there.
That's good?
That's good.
All right.
That's what I'm saying. Just there we go. All right, start kicking this. Push that back. See now that it's straight like this?
So, right there. Okay. So, the next we need to.
Very nasty. Looks like that might screw in, Dave. You got screws?
Yeah.
But I think you got the rest,
I
David.
need to lose those.
I think you got the rest.
Okay. Yeah, I think I got it. Then just supposed to go in there far enough that Alright. This is what we're gonna do. Oh, I can still read it. I gotta figure out. Yeah.
Just get these in here though, so this stays secured to this.
Yeah.
Get these in here, and then I think you were saying something about something about down here though. Over here in the wood. Because if not, like somebody can still come up and just pull this right off. You know what I mean? If you don't secure it here to the top. So if it doesn't recommend it or give you the screws, I recommend you getting longer screws. You know what I mean? If you're making doing it by hand here yourself.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Securing it to the actual post that's in the ground too. Just my suggestion. Like I said, if not, you can just grab it here and pull it right up off.
Yeah, that's probably true, yeah. Okay.
Okay?
Alright.
Alright, Dave. Alright.
So there we go. New year, new mailbox. Let's go.